Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here, and today I'm going to be giving you 3 different ways to turn VoiceOver on and off on an iPhone X or newer. So the first way is to use Siri as a way of turning VoiceOver on and off. So you can do that in 2 different ways, and I'm going to show you both. First is, if you have this set up, you could say, "Hey Siri, turn VoiceOver on."
Okay, I turned on VoiceOver.
Okay, turned on. And now I can turn it off by saying, "Hey Siri, turn VoiceOver off."
VoiceOver off. I turned off VoiceOver.
Okay, and now for the other way to use Siri is if you hold the side button on the right of the phone. That turns on Siri, and you could say, "Hey Siri, turn on VoiceOver."
Okay, I turned on VoiceOver.
And then to turn it off, you can hold down the button on the right, like I'll do here. "Hey Siri, turn VoiceOver off."
VoiceOver off. I turned off VoiceOver.
So that's probably the easiest way, I think, to turn VoiceOver on and off. So now I'm going to show you the second way of turning VoiceOver on and off on the iPhone. And to do this, you can tap the right side button 3 times quickly. So I'm going to demonstrate here.
VoiceOver on. Mail. No unread emails. Double tap to open. Use 3D touch to show home screen actions.
So that was pretty easy. Just tap 3 times quickly and it turned VoiceOver on. And to turn it off, you just repeat that.
VoiceOver off.
So I tapped it 3 times quickly, and now VoiceOver is off. So this is also a pretty easy way of turning VoiceOver on and off. And now for the third way to turn VoiceOver on and off. This way is probably the most complicated, but it does give you access to more of the settings. So if you want to change some different settings, which I can go over at another time. So to do this, you're going to find the settings icon on the home screen. So you tap that. And once you get into the settings section, you're going to scroll down until you find the accessibility section. Tap accessibility, and then the first one at the top is VoiceOver. So I'm going to tap VoiceOver. And then the top after you tap it is says VoiceOver, and I'm going to be tapping the toggle switch, which turns VoiceOver on and also turns green. And then to turn VoiceOver off from here, I have to swipe right once, swipe right twice from the top of this accessibility setting, and then I'm going to double tap. And that turns VoiceOver off. So those are the 3 ways I know how to turn VoiceOver on and off. Finding one that works best for you is important. So hopefully this was informative and helpful. And stay tuned for more VoiceOver videos. Thanks.